Hey, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to run OpenClaw for completely free, because if you're using standard API keys right now, you're one misconfigured loop away from waking up to a $300 bill. It happens all the time, but it doesn't have to happen to you. So today we're cutting off the API billing completely. I'm going to show you legitimate practical ways to run top tier models for zero cost, so you can scale your AI projects without the financial risk. So coming up in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop the token drain, and you're going to see how to instantly swap out paid APIs for Kimmy 2.5 through Nvidia. You're also going to see the hidden trick to link your existing ChatGPT Plus or Gemini Pro subscription directly into OpenClaw using OAuth. And finally, I'll show you how to tap into OpenRouter to unlock a massive library of completely free high-performance large language models. Now, for the first method, what we'll do is we'll just go to this URL right here, builds.nvidia.com, and I've linked it in the description below. And then we'll click on the Moonshot AI Kimmy K2.5 model. Now, once it opens up this page, we'll click on the top right here, view code. And then what is going to happen here is we're going to click on generate API key, and that is going to generate an API key for us, which is to access the Kimmy K2.5 model. And then we're just going to copy this API key and save it somewhere. And we're going to use that later in OpenClaw. Now, the first thing we'll do in OpenClaw is head over to our config here, and then we'll scroll all the way to the bottom and click on the raw config. And we're going to update this configuration file here. Okay, so now just copy and paste the code snippet I've included in the YouTube description below. And we'll just go ahead and paste in our Nvidia API key that we got from this website here. And we'll just paste it in here. And also make sure that the workspace here is the same as the original workspace when you opened this config file. So once this is all done, we'll just click on save. And to verify that it actually works, we'll just go back to chat and then ask it, what LLM are you? And obviously we didn't actually provide a credit card for the Kimmy model. So Nvidia has provided this API key to us, and we're just waiting for it to reply that it's using Kimmy, which essentially means that you can use this API key at no cost. Okay, so it just replied that it's using Kimmy, so we are now successfully using a free model. Now, editing your configuration files and managing your OAuth tokens can get a little technical, so if you're watching this and thinking that you just want the autonomous AI and you don't want to mess with the code, I actually help clients build and deploy these custom OpenClaw setups from scratch. So you can head over to remoteopenclaw.com. I've included the link in the description, and we can handle the entire build for you. But if you're ready to set this up yourself, then let's look at the second method, which is using the OAuth trick. So for the second method, if you already have a ChatGPT Plus or Gemini Pro account, what we can do is, instead of using your API keys, we can actually use your OAuth token when you configure the OpenClaw instance. And let me show you what that looks like right now. Now let's just run this command here in our terminal, and then we'll click on local machine. Then we'll just choose our model here, and then we'll go down to Google, which is essentially Gemini. And instead of selecting your API key here, we're just going to use the OAuth token. And then we'll just go ahead and click on Gemini Client OAuth here. Now you will have to run brew install Gemini CLI. And then once you click on Google Gemini CLI auth, if you run the brew install command, it will then redirect you to this page here. And then you just have to select the account that you're using Gemini with, and then it will just say Gemini CLI auth complete. You can close this window and return to OpenClaw. And then we'll just select a model here. And that's all you have to do for this one. You can just go ahead and complete the remaining steps to set up the OpenClaw instance. Now for the last option, we'll be using OpenRouter.ai. So if you've not created an account, make sure you create one. And all we need to do here is just go ahead and get our API key. And then essentially what you're going to do is you just create one API key, and you'll get access to all the models, large language models that are available through this API. So we can just set an expiration to, I'll do it 1 day. And then I'll just go ahead and create this API key. And make sure you save this somewhere. Now the next thing we'll do is we'll just go ahead and click models here. And we're going to search for free models. So we can just type in here free models. And let's look at a knowing model here. Oh well, this one is actually expiring today, funnily enough. Let's just go ahead with the GLM 4.5 Air. And we'll just click on it, and you can see here that it's $0 per million tokens in input and output. So this is entirely free, this model here. Okay, so now we'll just go ahead and configure OpenRouter again for our OpenClaw instance. And we'll just go ahead and do what we've previously done and click on model. And then we'll go to OpenRouter here, and then we'll enter the API key that we got from here. And now the next step is to find this model here in this big list that we've just been given by OpenClaw. So let me just go ahead and find that, and it should be the 4.5 Air. So yeah, Z-AI GLM 4.5 Air free, and we'll just click on enter here. So essentially you're just going to restart the OpenClaw gateway, and you will then have access to that free model, whichever model you've selected. Okay, so you've successfully cut off your API token drain and your AI is running for free, but saving money on software is only half the battle. So right now there's a massive misconception in the AI space that you essentially have to spend $600 on a dedicated Mac Mini just to run OpenClaw safely. So this is one of the biggest wastes of money I'm seeing right now, and you absolutely do not need to do that. So in this video right here, I break down the exact $600 mistake everyone is making and show you the cheaper, more secure way to host your OpenClaw agent. So click on that video and save yourself some serious cash, and I'll see you over there.